Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Tech World. The video you're about to see later on is a video of me using the Osmo Pocket, vlogging out in the farm on a bright sunny day, and some of my personal opinion with the Osmo Pocket and recommendations on that video. But before I show you the video, I just want to talk about really two essential observation I had while using the Osmo Pocket for a vlogging trip. So one thing that was really important that I noticed right off the bat was this accessory here from DJI, which gives you the ability to control the gimbal. This was really critical while vlogging because one thing I noticed is when you're shooting 4K at 60 frames per second, the follow me option on the gimbal does not work. It's not available. And then once you're out doing landscape videos, the ability to really control the gimbal where it's shooting, this was essential. So that's my recommendation. If you guys are going to be doing vlogging, purchase this accessory. I think it's about $45 from the DJI store. But it does enhance your experience vlogging and gives you the complete control while making your videos or shooting scenes that are sometimes not accessible without the manual control. It does have a throttle here that allows you to go. This one here is up and down control of the gimbal, and if you switch it to the side, it allows you to go side to side control of the gimbal. Two other functional options here, which you can obviously modify and customize to your benefit. So it gives you a little bit more control on the Osmo Pocket. This I find was extremely useful, and I wouldn't suggest anyone that's vlogging with just using the handheld gimbal. It is just not easy to get the gimbal to follow the subject that you want it to follow, but using this here is so essential. So this is my recommendation. Please, if you're doing vlogging, this will be my top recommendation to get. And the other thing I did notice is when you're shooting 4K at 60 frames per second, the battery dies pretty fast on the Osmo Pocket. So I was really lucky that I got this this case here, which is a smart case. It actually pops open like this here, and you put your Osmo Pocket inside of it, all along with memory cards and extra filters. The benefit of this case was just tremendous. Shooting 4K at 60 frames per second, I noticed the battery was just going really fast. So after every 2 or 3 clips, I would just stick the gimbal, the Osmo Pocket inside this case, and it provides 3 full charge on the Osmo Pocket. So that takes care of the worries of having low battery while shooting. And it's just nice, pocket size, portable, gives you the hard shell protection for the Osmo Pocket. So this would be my second top recommendation for accessory while doing vlogging. The other 2 recommendation would be a mic, external mic control for the Osmo Pocket. This is something I don't have right now. I'm going to purchase later on. This gives you more close-up microphone control. Sometimes you'll find it while vlogging, you get a lot of external noise in your vlog, and that sometimes messes up the audio. So having a shotgun mic connected to the Osmo Pocket would be a third recommendation. I did notice it while I was vlogging. I didn't have that, and you could hear all the tractor trailers on the farm really messing up the audio. And the fourth recommendation would be the extension rod. I did order the extension rod. It's coming on Amazon soon, but this extension rod gives you the control for the Osmo Pocket, shooting high off scenes from like the ground. So usually, like for example, you want to shoot a scene from like a landscape scene on a farm where you have to elevate the Osmo Pocket higher than you would elevate it with your hands. The extension rod would come in really useful. I could have seen the need for the extension rod while I was on the farm. Couple other disclaimer. On the farm, we went to a Amish community, which I don't want to say that I know anything about the Amish community. I was just lucky to go there and see the way of life of the Amish folks, and it was just interesting to shoot, because I know a lot of you out there also not so aware of what the Amish community live. You know, one thing I learned is that they're very cohesive. Everyone knows everyone in the Amish community. They obviously rely heavily on the farm, on the land, and they're very isolated in terms of what's going on the news or anything that's going on in the world. I know some families there don't have electricity, as well as the self-generated water from wells. It's just interesting, and I think it's gives us some perspective on how we live connected in our world, and they live so disconnected in their world, but yet so peaceful and so cohesive in their world versus us, where we are so divided in our community. So pretty interesting. Please watch the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. But I just want to give you guys a broad overview of connecting technology with way of life, and you'll see that in the video. Thank you. See you next time.